channel. No, seriously, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I freshen up my curls with my curling wand. Yes, I'm using my Best Stop Beauty Your World 6-in-1 curling wand to freshen up my look I have going on here, because I am going to be going out for the night. I'm going to be going to this nice cool party, so I just want to look natural and have my natural curl look, but I really want to perfect it because I want to be like bomb, like on point, you know what I'm saying? So this is kind of like my go-to routine whenever my hair is already in its curly state, how I just relieve the frizz and perfect the look as a whole. So my hair is pretty much dry at this point. I do not recommend doing this while your hair is wet. And let me just show you what I'm working with here. My curls look pretty good. I mean, I just washed my hair this morning, so it's not too bad. I did put it in the turban, so it has very minimal frizz, but there's just certain waves that I want to look more like curls, and I just want the look to be a little bit more voluminous as a whole in general. So yes, I'm going to be using this bad boy right here. You guys know that I did a tutorial on this product before and it was freaking awesome. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out. I'm basically going to be using this wand down here, and I would recommend everyone to grab a wand like this if you're trying to get a natural curl look. You need a very thin wand. This almost resembles my baby curler, and I'm not talking about this either. Like, it's not this, it's this. Skinniness is going to resemble my natural curl set the best. So if you want to try this style and you have naturally curly hair, then I suggest that you invest in a baby curler or a very skinny wand that's going to help resemble the waves that you already have on your head. So I'm just going to plug this in. Right now in my hair, I have a little bit of curling cream and some heat protectant, because you guys know I never do anything in my hair without heat protectant, and I let that thing dry in the turban. And now I just want to turn this on. I'm like screaming. I'm just gonna turn this on, and yep, it's gonna start heating up. As you guys can see, I showed you guys before in this video how it heats up. It goes by the numbers, which I thought was really cool. Yes, so excited. I'm just not sure what I should do. If I should do a middle part. Let me look at myself real quick. I mean, middle parts always just like bring balance to your face. But like side part for me is just like super sexy. Yeah, I like the side part the best, to be honest. Side part. So that's how I'm going to be curling my hair, I suppose. It's all gotta be on this side. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to pick out a couple of curls and show you guys how I do this. I'm not really going to be being very strategic about it. I just know that towards the front of my face, I want more definition. And I want the curls to be going away from my face so that I'm not constantly pushing my hair out of my face tonight. So I'm going to be winding the curls backwards around this wand. Already like adding, like, you don't need to do a lot. Just a couple strands really adds more definition to your look. It's so crazy how drastic this changes your hairstyle. Like, it's pretty drastic, guys. Pretty freaking drastic. Okay, now let's just see this side compared to this side shows that I'm not tripping. This really does perfect the look and make it just look like so much more like a hairstyle rather than I just wash my hair and let it dry and frizz up. You guys see the difference? It's amazing. That's a big difference. So as you guys can see, this is not bogus. Seriously, it makes the biggest difference. I'm not tripping. I'm not doing this for no reason. This really does help my overall curly hair look, and it just makes it look super perfect, and I love it. So, take 5 minutes, and that is how I do it. I really hope that this video was helpful to you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.